one story which is very close to my heart during this entire journey of Laksham is so Laksham, when I started, we started one. So when I started, my first attempt was a failure. My second attempt was a failure. So I think I failed a couple of times, and I think that was good. Why? Because when you fail, you come back with a little more bang on it. But after 3 or 4 years working with the whole sector where we wanted to work, I ended up in Arthala, which is an area in Ghaziabad, which is a rag picker cluster. So we would open up our center at 9 o'clock in the morning. So most of the children in the whole community would go for picking up the rags early in the morning, 5 o'clock, and 9 a.m. was the time then they would come back. So there was a specific child, Deepak. He was a rag picker that time with all golden brown eyes. He would always stop at the center and look at the center, but never come in. While vice versa, we could enroll that time 35 children, and that was our initial days. So initially, I always go to the center when we start a center, and I am present and monitor and structure, and then I come out of that space. So I would always try to bring him in, but whenever I would go to him, he would run away. After 10 or 15 days, I could finally catch hold of him and bring him inside the center. So he would place his bag full of trash हमारे गेट पे, and I have seen that उसके हाथ पैर से हमेशा खून निकलता था. Why? Because he was picking up the rags, he never had the gloves, he never had proper shoes. So I would always see him bleeding. So I got hold of him and I was just talking to him कि school आना चाहिए, ऐसे है वैसे. And in between the conversation, I asked him कि आप ऐसे कूड़ा क्यों चुनते हो when you can come to school? And his prompt answer was कि आप कूड़ा ऐसे क्यों फेंकते हो? So that was one incident which made me shun. Why? Because that time I was working in the development sector for 5 years. Was I managing waste in my house? I was not. My kitchen waste, my plastic waste, even if I break a glass or a tea glass, something like that, it would go on the same packet. And that is how we were giving to our Kudawala, and then he was putting that on the dump yard. And those little kids were going to those places and picking out those glass bottles or those empty cream tea bottles. That is what they usually pick up so that they can sell that. So then I realized that I was not aware what and how I'm contributing to the whole vicious circle. While on the other hand, I was saying that, okay, I'm working in the development sector. So what lesson I learned after this experience was, whether you're working in the development sector or not working, it really does not matter. But we need to take accountability of all our actions. And if we start taking accountability of all our actions, keeping in mind humans, environment and animals, that we coexist and co-create together, I think the world would be a much better place.